Alright, let's talk about top handles for my A7R Mark III rig, but it also could fit quite nicely on the A7S III. Anyway, so I used this small rig top handle for quite a while now. As you can see in it's up here in this video about my rig. It is alright. I think it is not too expensive, lightweight and quite flexible. You can, with this included Allen wrench, remove or change things up here. You can move this as you like in terms of front heavy lenses and stuff like that. But that is also the weak point of the solution. So this sometimes gets loose. So depending on how you set it up, this screw can get in the way sometimes, but it is nice that it is NATO rails. So this works nice, but that way it's a bit tricky sometimes. It is actually a bit short and the edges here are a bit sharp, so to speak. I mean, yeah, it is a little bit annoying to use. Your hand kind of hurts and it's not too ergonomic. So I was looking for another solution. And since I'm using the Nitze cage for my Atomos Shinobi, for my monitor, this thing popped up. This is actually a top handle more designed for a set cam cage situation, but it looked kind of nice. So in terms of weight, the small rig one is 150 grams. It's alright. And the Nitze is 268, so yeah, almost 120 more. But yeah, I think the ergonomics of this handle weighed out the weight gain in relation to this small rig one. So yeah. Also, I just used the FS7 on a shoot, and yeah, this top handle, damn, it's nice to use this camera with this top handle. It's nice, it's ergonomic, it's big. And this actually looks just a bit like a camera top handle. So, yeah, that's why I thought I'd test this out. Also have quite a few mounting holes and actually a NATO top rail thing here. So this is nice. You can mount a monitor holder thingy here. You can actually mount 15mm extension rods here. And it's also NATO rails, and it has this nice interesting locking mechanism here. So it fits quite nice. It is a bit tight, but that's all right. So yeah, there you go. And it is easier to mount, and it's way better in the hand, especially if you run around all day. Also, you can switch up the position. So also that way. If you have a heavy lens like this 50 from Sigma, now it's not as front heavy, and yeah, I really like that. So yeah, most of the time I'm using it like that. Really nice. So let's put on the Sony audio unit to see how it fits. So you need this multi-shoe thingy here. And now, yeah, you have to mount it carefully. So yeah, this is tight, but overall, now this is really nice. Also keep in mind that I have on my full rig the monitor on this side so it kind of is evened out then with this top handle, and yeah, I really like this one. It is more expensive, and but it is quite worth the money, I think. It's like around 80 bucks or something, 86 in Germany, but it's well made, it's well machined, quality is good. I really like this top handle here. So yeah, this is a nice addition to my kit. If you have any questions about the kit or the handle or whatever, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Anyways, that's it. Goodbye. See ya.